Welcome to the English Coffee Office. Today is Sunday, November 9. And like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hi, Alex. Good morning. How are you today?
Hi, David. I am fine, thanks. And you? This coffee smells good.
I am good. A bit tired from the weekend. I watched a game last night.
Oh, nice. What game? I read a book. It was relaxing.
Soccer, my team won. Exciting. You like books?
Yes, I do. Helps me think. Anyway, busy day ahead?
Always. Sales calls non-stop. You?
Project updates? Team meeting soon? Hey, did you see the news about China?
Yeah, their new aircraft carrier. It is ready now.
Right, the third one. It joins the Navy fleet.
Big deal. China wants more power in the sea.
Yes, the U.S. watches closely. Naval competition grows.
True. It means tension. For business, shipping routes change.
Exactly. Our company ships products. Costs might rise.
Oh no. Higher prices for customers, bad for sales.
We adapt. But it affects global trade.
For sure. I talk to clients in Asia, they worry.
Me too. Projects involve suppliers there. Need to plan.
Smart. Coffee helps me think. This is strong today.
I added more grounds. Wakes me up.
Good idea. Weekend was okay? Family time?
Yes, with kids, they played outside. Yours?
BBQ with friends. Fun. But now back to work.
Haha, work never stops. What else in news?
The food stamps thing. Trump administration cuts to partial benefits.
I heard for November 2025. Only part of the money.
Yeah, they use a contingency fund, but it is low.
Controversial? Many families need full help.
Right, people buy less. Impacts our sales.
Society feels it. Low income hurts everyone.
In office, we see it. Customers delay orders.
As project manager, I track budgets. This adds pressure.
Tough. Government should fix it.
Hope so. Now another news. Supreme Court on passports.
Oh, the sex markers. For trans and non-binary people.
Yes, court allows Trump policy. Only male or female.
No X option now. Based on birth.
It blocks choice. Many argue it hurts rights.
Big debate in work. Diversity matters.
True. Our team is different people. Travel issues now.
International trips. Passports check identity.
Sensitive topic. Affects inclusion.
We train on it. Be respectful.
Good. Coffee break ends soon.
One more sip. This machine is best.
Agree. Reliable. Like our projects.
Ha! Speaking of your last project, success?
Yes, on time, team worked hard.
Nice mine. Closed 2 deals.
Great. Keep it up.
Thanks, you two. News makes me think.
Me too. World changes fast.
But office stays same, meetings, emails.
Routine helps. Now plans for lunch.
Cafeteria, salad maybe?
Sounds good. Join me?
Sure, talk more news.
Okay. See you then.
Bye for now. Have a good morning.
You two work well.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.